Can ChatGPT predict winning lottery numbers? Have you ever heard that artificial intelligence can predict lottery numbers? In fact, a woman in the United States made headlines in 2025 after winning a Powerball prize using numbers suggested by ChatGPT. Stories like this may make us wonder whether AI can really predict the future. However, the short answer is no. ChatGPT cannot accurately predict winning lottery numbers. So why no? Many people believe that analyzing past winning numbers can reveal hidden rules or patterns. Some even collect thousands of past results and train AI models on them. Unfortunately, lottery numbers cannot be predicted that way. This is because lottery drawings are independent events. An independent event means that one result does not affect the next. If a coin lands on heads 5 times in a row, it does not make heads more likely on the next toss. The same is true for a die. No matter what numbers appeared before, each roll produces a new result. The lottery works the same way. Last week's numbers do not affect this week's numbers. So, no matter how much we analyze past winning numbers, we cannot predict future numbers with certainty. If a coin lands on heads 10 times in a row, many people feel that the 11th toss will also be heads. But the actual probability is still 1/2. Then why can artificial intelligence not predict lottery numbers? Is it because it is not capable enough? In fact, that is not true. Artificial intelligence is a very powerful tool. However, AI still makes decisions based on data. It cannot know what people do not know. AI is not a magician. It is closer to an expert calculator that finds the most likely answer from available information. Think of a car factory. People can build cars by hand, but machines can produce them much faster and more accurately. AI works in a similar way. It can complete in seconds what might take a person a full day, but it cannot make the impossible possible. In theory, we might even predict lottery numbers. How could that be possible? Imagine a lottery machine containing 30 numbered balls. If we knew every detail exactly, the position of each ball, its weight, the speed of the machine's rotation, air resistance, and even the size of the opening, we might be able to calculate which ball will come out first. But there is a major problem. In reality, we can never know all of that information perfectly. On top of that, the balls move and collide in highly complex ways. In mathematics, we call this kind of behavior chaos. A key feature of chaos is that a tiny difference can lead to a huge change later. For example, if the position of a ball differs by just 1 millimeter, the result can be completely different. As a result, it is difficult to predict the future accurately unless we know the initial conditions perfectly. Have you ever heard that the flap of a butterfly's wings can affect the weather far away? People often use this example to explain chaos. A small change can create a large and unexpected result. Some people claim that artificial intelligence can predict lottery numbers by using random number generation algorithms. In reality, however, this is not much different from automatically selecting lottery numbers. Random numbers are, by definition, random. In the end, there is little difference between using numbers recommended by AI and using randomly generated numbers. AI does not increase the chances of winning just because it picks the numbers. Does that mean AI is useless? Of course not. AI delivers outstanding results in many fields, including weather forecasting, disease diagnosis, translation, self-driving cars, and speech recognition. Its value does not disappear simply because it cannot predict lottery numbers. What matters more is how we use AI. AI is a powerful tool that helps us with our work, but it is not a magic solution that can solve every problem. If we leave all decisions to AI, we may lose the ability to think for ourselves. Just as we should not forget how to add and subtract because calculators exist, we should not stop thinking because AI exists. In the future, the ability to use AI well will be important, but the ability to ask questions and make judgments for ourselves may be even more important. So what do you think? What will future AI never be able to do? And what can only humans do? Take a moment to think about it.